Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm located in Los Angeles, California. I'm 6 feet tall, and I'm available for the shoot dates. Lord, are you going to wash my feet?
You do not realize now what I'm doing, but later you will understand.
No. You shall never wash my feet.
Jesus answered, "Unless I wash you, you have no part with me."
Then, Lord, not just my feet, but my hands and my head as well.
A person who has had a bath needs only to wash his feet. His whole body is clean, and you're clean, though not every one of you. Simon, son of John, do you truly love me more than these?
Yes, Lord, you know that I love you.
Feet like lambs. Again, Jesus said, Simon, son of John, do you truly love me?
Yes, Lord, you know that I love you.
Take care of my sheep. Simon, son of John, do you love me?
Lord, you know all things. You know that I love you.
Feed my sheep. Follow me.